It is time now for a Northeast Regional Briefing here, and as we can see to our south, clouds moving in as a nor'easter is setting up across Virginia and eastern North Carolina. Uh, Moderate wave of low pressure down there right now, and these are the clouds that are just barely spilling up here in the southeast corner of Pennsylvania. And the NAM forecast model actually takes this system out to sea. It's going to hang a hard right before it reaches us, and I'm not quite sure about that, as this is possibility that we get wet here on Friday. But let's take a look just to check out the model. And taking a look at the most recent radar imagery here, as we see a band of rain moving up through eastern Virginia, across Chesapeake Bay, and into Delaware and the Delmarva Peninsula right now. Just got a report here on the Facebook page that the rain has just started in Sussex County, Delaware at Fenwick Island. And thank you, one of our followers, for informing us to that. And it looks like this system is very, very slow moving right now at this point, as last night it was just the precipitation shield wasn't much farther south than it is right now. And it's just barely inching its way northward, right up 95. And it looks like the models want to take this thing out to sea still, even though it is drifting northward right now, and it looks like it has stalled. So we're going to have to take a look at this here. Let's take a look at the current observations around the region here, and I will zoom in so we can get our look. 38 degrees right now, International Airport. 41 degrees down here on the Delmarva with rain already moving in. 37 Atlantic City. 32 up there at Freezing Mark in Allentown. 35 in Harrisburg, and 41 in D.C. Pretty much dry across the area, minus this one observation here across the Delmarva. Richmond right now, 36 degrees and light rain. Interstate 81, if you're taking it down through western Virginia, 32 degrees and light snow in Roanoke. And it looks like it's pretty much cloudy up here and dry. And will that remain the trend through the rest of the day today? Well, let's take a look here. And as we head into our forecast model over here, it looks like we remain dry. This is through, let's see here, 10 o'clock this evening. On Friday evening, it looks like it stays offshore. It looks like we're right around the freezing mark. However, we saw that we're at 38 degrees, so it looks like it drops off a little bit by 10 o'clock this evening. And then on your day, Saturday, it looks to be pretty nice out there, dry, a light west wind, right above freezing, with some snow showers moving in around Erie. And as another cold front swings through our region, possibly bringing some snow showers out there to western Pennsylvania. This is Saturday evening between 4 and 7 o'clock. We could stay dry. This could be a dry frontal passage, or we could get some very light stuff as some flurries as the front moves through here on Saturday evening. And then it looks like that front pushes south, and we're cold again Sunday morning. And it looks like we're struggling to reach the freezing mark. It looks like we do, slightly above. And then it takes us warm here, this model. 34 degrees for the high, 38 degrees maybe across the city. But I'm not quite sure how warm we actually get with temperatures above ground this cold. So it looks like we're still going to remain chilly on Sunday. We'll just leave it at that right there. And then heading into Monday, it looks like we warm up into the 50s. It looks like maybe even more. This model here is indicating 55 degrees across Montgomery County and the city on Monday between 1 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to be back up into the 50s. So looks like a nice day there on Monday and dry for now. And that's all for now. So we have a temporary warm up on Monday into the 50s. And it looks like maybe some flurries on Saturday as a cold shot of air moves in temporarily for Saturday evening into Sunday. Not quite as cold Sunday though. And it looks like we're going to have another major storm at the end of next week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. So check out our full U.S. National briefing for that. Thanks a lot for watching, Weather Ranger. Have a great one.